I'm Grumpy, and welcome to another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen. But today, we're going to the deep wade in the water cause today, we making jambalaya. Alright, now today we're going to eat a lot of stuff. Cause jambalaya needs a lot of stuff. So, we got our chicken breast already diced up. We got our andouille and our green pepper habanero sausages mixed already. We have a cup of rice, white rice, ready to go. We got cilantro and onions ready to go. And of course, our tricolor bell peppers. And then for seasoning, we're going to be using Worcestershire sauce, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. And then of course, bay leaf and cayenne pepper. So that we get all that in there and we're going to mix all these flavors. So let's not waste any time, let's jump right into it. Alright, how you see, we already got our chicken starting to saute. We're going to start adding seasoning to it to add our flavor. We're going to start with the onion powder. A little sprinkle like that. We want to get it nice and heavy in there. And then we're adding cayenne right in there. Going to get all those flavors in there. And we're going to keep adding flavors as we go. Now we're going to do our black pepper, of course. And our garlic powder. Since we're not using garlic, we're going to use garlic powder so we can maintain the flavor. Of course, we're going to end with our favorite, our pink Himalayan. And then we're going to go ahead and mix that in. Just like that. And as you can see, our chicken's already starting to brown and it's already starting to get that color we want. So now we're going to go ahead and add our sausages. And we're going to come right behind with our hot sauce. This is our Cajun hot sauce. We're going to start adding those a little bit now. We're not adding a lot. We're going to add a little bit right now. And we're going to mix this in so they're all equally cooked. Just like that. Getting everything in there, mixed in there so everything gets a little touch of that heat. Okay? We'll come back and we'll see how it looks when it's starting to cook down. Alright, how you see, we got a different pot. Our pot was not big enough to hold in the power of a jambalaya. So we had to go ahead and switch out to a big old pot. And what we're going to do now is start to add the celery, our onions, and our bell peppers. So let's do that. First we want to add the bell peppers, nice and neat in there, nice and easy. Then we're going to add our onions. Just like that. Nice and easy. So we got celery in there as well with the onions. We're going to go ahead and mix this all up real good. And we're going to let all this stuff get in there and cook down until the onion starts to become translucent. When your onion becomes translucent, then it's all cooked in good like. And we can go on and add our chicken stock and our rice and keep going and then simmer everything. So we'll come back to this when everything's reduced down a little bit more. Alright, as you can see, our onions are ready to go, our bell peppers are ready to go, everything's ready for the final part of this, which is now our rice, which we're going to add right there, just regular old white rice, and we're going to add chicken stock. Just like that. I'm going to add about 2 cups and mix it all in. Just like that. So now what we're going to do, we're going to wait for about 20 to 30 minutes And we're gonna boil our simmer, our jambalaya, until it's ready to go and eat. So we'll see you in about 20 minutes. All right, guys, real quick, we forgot to talk about the bay leaves and your Worcestershire sauce. You want to add that in. You want to add about 5 bay leaves and about 2 cups of Worcestershire sauce. So that's what we did now. We're adding, mixing everything in so that you have a nice, beautiful texture and look when we're done. We're gonna go ahead and simmer for about 20 to 35 minutes now. All right, as you can see, our jambalaya is done. After about 30 minutes of simmering, that is a finished plate of grumpy jambalaya. Hope you enjoy. I'm Grumpy, and I hope you enjoyed the episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll holla.